haven't seen you in a long while. You visit me in my sleep. I wander in the grocery aisle, thinking about the way it used to be.